My classmates, my friends, they all went to a pizzeria place where they can eat infinite goddamn pizza. And yeah, I could have went and it could have been an amazing day. But that's not my values. That's not who I am. I want to clear my goddamn skin. I want to be healthy, shredded. And so I came home having some chicken and eggs. And you have to realize this. If your friends invite you to do certain activities that you wouldn't do alone, then they are not your friends. You must have respect for yourself. You deserve better people around you. For example, do you respect yourself when you jerk off? I don't think so. So why would you want friends that invite you to jerk off? It doesn't make any sense, bro. And it's really goddamn sad how lonely this self-improvement journey is. Right now, I'm feeling, low. Just maybe I should have went. I kind of feel bad because my friends invited me, and I'm not going, and then I don't go. You know what I mean? This doesn't feel good. And so I want you to watch this video to manifest, to feel kinda as if you had found your perfect friends. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you how I have been able to find genuine friends that push you to be better.
You have to achieve failure. You have to take it that far. Nobody wants to go that far. It's too scary. But you know something? I got news for you. That's where winning is. It always has been.
My shirt was absolutely wet from boxing practice. Today my coach was like, just as a joke, he had some weights for the ankles and he was like, who here wants to put? And I was like, yeah, sure, I'll put it. 1.5 kg weights. And this is like always push yourself to the limits. And guess what's gonna happen today? Mike Tyson against Jake Paul. Honestly, if Mike Tyson wins, it's gonna be the best, because before he used to win with the anger, wanting to kill the opponent, but now he is in another mind state of God, of doing things out of love, out of his family.
Say I bled for garbage.
And so if he wins, it's truly gonna be like, oh my goodness, time for dinner. Then let's see the fight at 1 a.m. Here we have our dinner. I put a little surprise here, just hidden in case my parents walk in. Nice and easy book. Look at the moon over there. It's not real, it's Matrix Truman Show. It's been a struggle to stay awake because lately I've been going to bed at 10 p.m. bro. Really locked in. It literally feels like it's daytime.
Stay hard. Something in you has to wake up. And usually the only person that can wake it up is you. Sometimes you can read a David Goggins book because I was all this shit and then a lot more fucked up. But if you don't have a little flame, just barely, you're done.
Alright, so while we wait for the fight, we're gonna be maxing out the bench press. Look at this bench press from... What the hell? Trying out the bench press. 47 kg right now. Pretty lightweight, baby. Oh! What the? Bro, not so light. Oh! Oh! Sorry. Just joking. Can't save you. Oh yeah. Bro. 65 kg. Qu'est-ce que je Bro, calma aí, vai. Bro, what the fuck? Oh, faz força.
Sai.
Bro, não é possível.
Ajuda aí.
Oh, calma.
Não olha.
Jake Paul is gonna lose. We got next opponent. Show him how it's done. This is the next Mike Tyson. It's freaking 5 a.m. This crap doesn't start. Been working out for freaking hours, bro. We need to take a nap. We need napping.
Power nap.
To wake up, we gotta do some sparring. 10 minutes till the fight. Let's go, quick sparring.
Wake up!
Oh, leque.
Oh!
Ah!
Vampira! Oh! You mad, bro?
Yeah.
I don't know. Okay, stop recording. We have 2% to battery left.
What is a friend? To me, a friend is if we just got drafted at war and I had to have a guy watching my back, otherwise I would get killed. You had to defend me, you had to protect me. To me, a friend is someone that I would trust to be in that position. I would want someone that doesn't just panic. Oh my God, what we do? No, bro. I would want someone that has goddamn mental clarity, has some freaking balls, would stay there and be willing to die next to you. A wife is someone that you would die for. Now, a friend is someone you would die with. The truth is, man, are your friends those type of people? Because as far as I'm concerned, we have a good time together. Ha ha ha, always laughing. EVD, what the Sigma, huh? Always, these stupid jokes. In your friends, they literally gossip about you in your back. They may go out and not invite you. They are not your friends. They never were. And it's so goddamn easy to see that they are not your friends. When you put money in the equation, they'll literally turn your back to you just like that. So how do you find genuine friends that don't talk crap in your back, don't exclude you from things, don't gatekeep you and be jealous at you from achieving certain opportunities? For example, I had a friend that had made some new friends, and the guy would literally avoid the other friends when he was with me just for me to not become friends with the other guys. Now, what the hell is this behavior? Childish behavior. And so, you want masculine men, they are focused on higher purpose stuff, not superficial crap. The number one rule standard to have friends, to have brothers is, are they good people? They might not even be on self-improvement. They might be losers, whatever, but are they good people? How do you see if they're good people? Well, this is actually something I've been struggling a lot. Because you have two types of people. You have one that has some balls and will be super direct in hating on you. He'll come up to you and be like, you're a loser. Oh, typical loser behavior with low self-esteem, hating on you. You know what I'm saying? And those are the best guys because you can literally see you have low self-esteem. You're not a good person. Why are you hating on me? Why you gonna see people? But then you have a second type of people, and these people can be dangerous. Why? These are usually the losers that nobody respects them. They have no opinion, basically. And these guys, you think, oh, they're different than the cool guys that vape and smoke, that gossip. You already put these ones in these are bad people. But these losers that, oh, they play video games, they're inoffensive, and you think that they are good people, but they're not. They're probably just like these guys, but they never had the opportunity to be like these guys. That's why they go to video games, jacking up all the time. And these guys, they will wait for one of these big guys to put you down. And these guys, once you're there on the floor, they'll go there and start kicking you. The people that you surround yourself with is probably one of the most important decisions of your life. Actually, most step, write down every single person that is your friend, all right? Who are your friends? And then you start saying, if my mom got kidnapped at 3 a.m. and I call these guys, bro, my mom's got kidnapped, we gotta save her, oh my God. Would these guys help you? As far as I'm concerned, most guys will be like, bro, my parents don't let me out of the house, what the hell? That's dangerous. And they would let your mom get kidnapped. Do you want these freaking friends? You're gonna start cutting down people. And once you realize you probably have 1, 2 friends, maybe 0. It's kind of like having a wife. You can talk to a bunch of girls just randomly on the street, classmates, all that. Just random girls. But then you have your wife. And the same goes with friends. You can talk to all these people, but then at the end of the day, you only have like 1 friend. 2 friends. These are people that you can trust and are willing to die with. They have good values. They are trying to improve themselves. They are pushing you to be better, and they are good people. How do you know if they're good people? Well, if you want to take a lesson from this video, write this crap down. Where their treasure is, their heart is. If you want to know if somebody is a good person, just look at where they're spending their money. So yeah, man, this was a warning. And if you have friends inviting you to have little pizza, screw them. Don't go. Don't freaking go. Because as soon as you fall back into their bad habits, oh, just some Minecraft, they all play, let me just have some nice nostalgia. When you do that, you are fallen, and understand that there are people out there that haven't. And they will take your spot. They will take your wife. They will take your money. It's a competition, man. They will goddamn win. You want to eat freaking delicious food and not fall back into these temptations of, going out with friends. None of that. You can eat goddamn clean. Check out the description. There's a free recipe ebook. Pancakes, cakes with freaking 3 ingredients. Super healthy, super delicious. Check it out. I'm on a journey to get rid of my acne, clear my skin, and bulk up.
Alright, so today we're gonna be grocery shopping.